All right, welcome to page 64. Notice that the spinner that we are going to be using, the set of information, has a new total. And so the first thing that we're going to find out is how many options do we have for our total? We are going to have a total of 16 for each of our answers. The next thing that we're going to be using is 5 different colors for each different question. And the reason that we're going to be using 5 different colors is because there's only one set of information to work with. And so we are going to be applying this information to one image. So let's start with this first color. We're going to be using dark blue or purple, I guess, violet, to map out our desired numbers. All right, so it says, what is the probability of choosing an odd number? Let's start going through here, and we'll put a purple dot on all of the odd numbers. All right, now let's go and check. We have one, two, we have a total of 9 options to choose from. All right, question number 2. What is the probability of choosing an even number? Let's go through and mark all of the even numbers. All right, let's count up our desired numbers. We have a total of 6 over 16. Did I get that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I just want to double check. For some reason, my answer key is saying 7 over 16. I just want to double check all of the evens. 2, 4, 2, even, even, even. All right, let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yep, all right, 6 over 16 is your final answer. All right, let's work on question number 3. Let's use the black color. All right, let's choose the prime numbers. Do you remember what a prime number means? A prime number is a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. There are not many factors. I guess there's only two factors. So in here, I am going to show you which numbers are your prime. Let's start with the 2. 2 is your lowest prime. All the 2's are now done. Let's go and mark all of the 3 primes. Next we have 5 is our next prime number. And those are all of our primes for this spinner. Let's set up our equation. Now let's start counting all of our black dots. 1, 2, you will get an answer of 9/16. All right, question number 4. We'll use the red color for this one. What is the probability of choosing 1 or 5? Let's highlight all of the ones first. All right, those are all of the ones. Now let's highlight the reds, or the 5s, sorry. All right, let's go ahead and count these up. 1, 2, we have a total of 8/16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, for this last question, we're going to be using a light blue. And we are going to be searching for the probability of choosing a 3 or a 4. Let's go ahead and highlight all of the 3's and the 4's. All of the 3's and the 4's. All of the 3's and 4's. All right. Now let's count up our desired numbers. We have 5 numbers to choose from. All right, good job. We have now completed page 64. I will see you over on page 65.